The story of the Macquarie clan begins with a common descent shared with another powerful clan, the Mackinnons. Legend has it that Guaire, the brother of Fingon, the ancestor of the Mackinnons, founded the Macquarie clan. This shared ancestry laid the foundation for a close bond between the two clans that would shape their destinies. In the early days, the MacQuarries, like many other clans, migrated far from their homeland. They became closely associated with the lords of the Isles and followed them with unwavering loyalty. Such was their allegiance that they appeared as a branch of the clan, mirroring the fate of their neighbors, the Mackinnons. Throughout the clan's history, the MacQuarries faced numerous challenges. One of their first recognized chiefs, John MacQuarrie of Ulva, supported Donald, the last lord of the Isles, in his efforts against the crown. This resulted in the clan's chief and others being denounced for traitorous dealings with the English. However, despite setbacks, the MacQuarries persisted, following the Macleans of Duart and supporting the royalist cause in the Civil War. The MacQuarries' fate took a pivotal turn when King James VI summoned them, along with other chiefs, to the Holy Island of Iona in 1609. The king used this opportunity to seize the chiefs and forced them to sign the Statutes of Iona. This event marked the end of the lordship of the Isles and signaled a newfound independence for the Macquarie clan. The Macquarie clan's resilience is exemplified by the remarkable figure of Major General Lachlan Macquarie. A cousin of the chiefly house, he achieved prominence in the British Army, and earned the title of Governor of New South Wales. Known as the Father of Australia, his moral sense established a balance of power between the large landowners and the freed convicts seeking new lives in Australia. Though the main chiefly line of the MacQuarries failed around 1818, the clan's legacy continues. General Lachlan Macquarie returned to Ulva and repurchased much of the family's lands, leaving an indelible mark on the history of the region.